God has done it. Good luck. Yes, doctor, we dey here. Nice name. So what is wrong with your baby? Ah, doctor, this my pikin so you know dey gain weight. You know dey gain weight upon all the things wey I dey give am, all the things wey this pikin dey chop. You know dey gain weight. I no know wetin to do am again. Na im make I for carry am come. This pikin no dey gain weight at all. See as e be now, see. Pikin wey don reach 9 months, e still be like person wey dey 5 abi 6 months. Na im make I carry am come, make you prescribe medicine wey go make am dey chop well, make the food for the come out for the body. The papa no slim, you see sef, me sef I no slim. Make the food for come out for im body, na im make I carry am come. Since the baby is crying, can you feed the baby before we continue? Yes, I fit give am food. I carry im food come. Make you see as e go chop am finish sef. Even sef e go chop am finish everything, dey find another one, yet the thing no dey come out for im body. You go see am now. I carry the food come. No vex. Make I for put am for this your table. Good luck is a good boy. Yes, yes, yes. Good luck is a...
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Mommy, good luck. Is that how you feed your baby all the time? You are the reason why the baby is not gaining weight now. Do you know you practically drank more than half of your baby's cereal while trying to shape and remove excess from the spoon? And you are here complaining that your baby is not gaining weight. That is a very wrong practice, madam, coupled with the fact that you're feeding your baby 3 times a day like an adult. The fact that the baby is 9 months old or a year old does not mean he should eat like an adult. Babies should eat at least 3 to 4 hours apart. Hey, doctor, I no know. You mean say na as I dey lick the spoon comot the one wey dey for the side, na im make the pikin no dey gain weight? Didn't you see it or notice it by yourself? Please stop that practice.